On social media, Twitter especially yesterday, arrest the Lucknow girl, arrest the Lucknow girl, arrest the Lucknow girl was trending on social media, Twitter yesterday. So I opened that Twitter tab and saw what is going on. What the hell is going on? Usually celebrities will be trending on Twitter, but here it was a weird. So I opened and saw that video, exclusive video. Oh my god, in Lucknow UP, near the Awadh crossing somewhere, there one girl was about to get hit by a car, hit by a car, but didn't get hit. So what she did is she took stones and put on the car, broke the window shield. Then she broke the mobile, opened the door and broke the mobile. And after the driver came out, जब driver बाहर निकला, ओला driver, poor driver, when he came out, she is slapping not once, not 2 times, not 5 times, not 10 times, not even 20 times. 22 times she has slapped, 22 times. उछल कर एकदम लाफा मार रहा था, उछल कर. Means I'm wondering why slapping is not part of the Olympics. Why slapping is not part of the Olympics? Then she would have won the gold medal in Olympics, I think, in the event of slapping. No. This is an absolute disgrace. Whatever has happened, this is an absolute disgrace and it's becoming horrendous. And girls are taking advantages. These बदतमीज लड़कियां एकदम advantage ले रहा है और मर्द डर रहा है. मतलब people are getting scared. That fellow, that driver was absolutely shivering and she's continuously hitting. And there, whoever was coming to help the driver also, there also she was slapping that person also. She was slapping and she was touching. What type of behavior is this? What type of behavior? You're not even fit to be called a woman. You're not even fit to be called a human being. That girl is not even fit to be called a human being and she should be immediately arrested. She should be immediately arrested. Arrest! Immediately arrest! Arrest immediately. This type of jungly behavior is not acceptable in the society. This type of jungly behaviors. 22 slaps it seems. And that people are not even able to touch. And what is the police inspector doing? Traffic police inspector. What is he doing? Nothing is doing. He's also scared. He's also peeing in his pants, seeing all the nonsense. And they are telling in the Hindi, they are telling that भैया अगर मैं इस ट्रैप में फंस गया तो मेरा भी पूरा नौकरी जाएगा और मेरा पूरा करियर जाएगा. Means people are getting scared, men are getting scared because of all these बदतमीज औरत एकदम जंगली behavior. Because of these बदतमीज औरत जंगली behavior, men are getting scared. What type of nonsense is this? No. This has gone completely out of hands. And it's becoming toxic after toxic. We have seen that Sarabjit and Jaslin case in Delhi. Then we have seen Zomato case. Then now we are seeing this Lucknow case. It's the same story again and again. More toxic it's becoming. This pseudo-feminism is more dangerous than coronavirus. This pseudo-feminism. And girls are taking advantages because they know that law is by their side. And men are getting scared. Because if they retaliate, then the law and order will be on the girl's side. And if that driver would have retaliated after getting 22 slaps, if that driver would have hit even a 1 slap, then people around there would have hit and thrashed the pulk out of that driver. And that girl only would have got the favor. Poor driver, sad driver. He has drove well only, but one mistake, he was trying to go by that signal. Everybody does that. It's very common nowadays. We should not do it, but it's common nowadays. It's not some big issue to create such a big hangama in the streets, to create a circus in the streets. This is not great Lucknow circus. This is a pure street, busy street. No need to create a great Lucknow circus. If you want to do tamasha, go to the circus. Don't do it in the streets. Go to the circus. And now you'll not go to the circus. You'll go straight to the jail. Because you are behaving like a jungli. You deserve in the jail itself. After that event, she is threatening on the social media, telling that according to the medicals, everything will be on my side, law will be on my side, everything on my side. But ये public है, ये सब जानती है. CCTV is there, everything is there. Now you will be straight in the jail. These all बदतमीज लड़कियां think that poor people are there, it's easy to frame them and become the queen. I'm sorry, you are not the queen, you are a criminal. Mentally psychic criminal, you are. Criminal, absolute criminal, and you should be arrested immediately. should be arrested immediately. Justice for the driver. Justice for the driver. He has done his duty. Salute to his temperament, because if I was there on the streets, I couldn't have controlled my temper. I couldn't have controlled my temper. दिमाग गर्म हो जाता है ऐसा चीज देखकर, ऐसा घटना देखकर. एकदम घटिया, एकदम घटिया.